I'm going to replace the motor. Now I brake pad also I already removed. Now this is the motor. This way we have to fix brake pad also. This way, because it will come legs are here after braking, it should come like that. Because of that, this way we have to fix. I remove the all here corrosion also. Now we will check the motor first. It is good motor actually. Now I can check also with the power. Dear friends, you can see I'm checking motor also. Now it's okay. Motor is okay. Now I can fix this brake pad. We have to fix like that, the same way I told you before. It should come here like that. Now it's okay. Brake pad. Yes dear. Now we have to fix this part. I'm going to fix this one. Yes, it's okay. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix the pulley here. Pulley also, while you are going to fix the pulley, it should be this here angle. This one, it should come to here. You can see. Now it's okay. You can see here. Now little bit should come more. Now it's okay. Now I can fix here screw. This nut we can fix. Yes dear friends, now if you are going to, while you are going to fix this one, that lock nut, it should come up here like that. After that, this is number 8. We can tight. Here it's tight now. Now we have to check it is balanced or not. If it is not balanced, yeah, now it's okay. Now only we can tight this number 10 lock nut. Now we can tight like that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix legs, 3 legs. Now I will fix this one. Okay, this one. Yes, yes dear, now it's okay. Now I can fix motor here. Now we have to enter here. Now I will go on to fix this one also. Cable, you have to think about this one. It should come this way, and don't fix otherwise other way. Now dear friends, I already fixed motor. Now here you can see this brake also okay. You can fix like that. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix tub. This one we have to keep our hand here like that. You can see here. After that we can fix like that. It's easy. You can see here. Now dear friends, I have to fix all the screws are here. Now we fix all screws. I'm fixing the chip. The here also down. Screw number 6. Here also 1 screw. Now okay. Now yes. Now we have it here. This is okay. This here. Now we can fix here panel. Now we have to, before fixing this louver, we have to fix properly. This is drain selector. Now it's okay. Now I will fix all the screws. Yes. Fix this nut here with the tub. Yes, it's okay. Now I have to fix other nut. Now it's okay. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now I have to give the wiring connection. You can see here the capacitor, it's okay, no any issue. I will fix as same before. This one, well, I will see here. That is common. You can get it. This is the right. This one I fix all previous here. This three. That's okay. Now I fix better cover. Yes, it's okay. Now this one starting right. I will fix this one also running. Now dear friends, I already given all the wire connection. Now we can check also. Now I will give the power connection and we will check the motor if it will start or not. I can cover this one here like that. Also I have to keep here. I can hang here. Yes dear, now I have to fix here earth wire only. After that my job will be finished. Now we will check again. Now my job almost complete. Now we can check finally. Now I will check the here wash cycle. Both cycle is okay, dear. Now I will check. Finally, I will check the here spin cycle. Yes, dear, you can hear the noise. Motor is working fine. You can hear. You can see. Now I will open the lid. You can see here. It's taking maximum RPM also. Now again I will close. Yes, dear, brake also working. No any issue. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.